Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, solid-state drive, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, and left fan. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 8 screws. Remove the 8 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processors in numerical order. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the system board and remove. Replacement. Note, before replacing the heatsink, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Align the screw holes on the heatsink with the standoffs on the system board and place the heatsink into position. Replace the 8 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processors in numerical order.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.